If you had trouble trying to figure out how to draw your box, take a look at our box code. You'll see now we have 3 different drawings that we can do with the pen. All we have to do is press X to clear, green flag to reset our pen, and then select any one of these procedures for the pen to draw. But right now it's not animated in the program, and we're going to create sprites to use as buttons to call these events. We'll first start off by drawing a new sprite. So we're going to click on the paintbrush, and it will take us to this blank template. I'm going to create a button that is in the shape of a rectangle, and you can get as creative as you would like. And I'm going to fill it to make this button useful. I'm going to put some text on it. And on the text, I'm going to write Obelisk. I can't read my text because it is in black, so I'm going to change it to white. And I'm going to recenter it. And I have my button. Now you can be as creative as you want to with these buttons. I would just recommend making sure it's functional so the user of your animation knows what it means. So we're going to head over to scripts because we want this button to actually call our procedure to draw the obelisk. Now our code for the pen to draw is already housed in our pencil sprite. So we're going to use this obelisk button to trigger an event. To do that, we're going to go to our Events tab. And for it to act like a button, we want a reaction to occur when the sprite is clicked. So we'll choose the When this Sprite is Clicked event. And we're going to use the broadcast block. When we broadcast a message, it's going to send a message to the pencil to tell the pencil what to draw. So let's be specific with our broadcast. We're going to want it to broadcast new message, draw obelisk. Now we're going to drop down the sprite so it's not in the middle of our skyline. Now we need to program the pencil to receive this broadcast. So you'll click on pencil, and then you're going to go to the event when I receive this broadcast. We're going to want it to draw an obelisk. So remember, we created this block on our own, so you'll find this under More Blocks, and you'll draw this block, drag this block over to the new event. Now we're going to have 3 buttons here, one for the obelisk, one for the dome, and one for the box. That's going to really clutter our screen when the green flag is clicked, especially when the arch is there. So we're going to want to hide our button when the green flag is clicked. So we're going to go to Events, when the green flag is clicked, Looks, and Hide. But we are going to want this button to reappear, so we can create a new event for that. When the, let's do up arrow is clicked, we're going to show this sprite. So now when we want to draw the different shapes, we're going to press the up arrow to start that event. Now we're going to need 2 more buttons, one for the box and one for the dome. To do this, you'll right click on the sprite and you'll click on duplicate. You'll select this new sprite. I'm going to drag it to where I want it to go. And it still says obelisk, so we're going to want to change the costume. To change this costume, I'm just going to put another black box over the word obelisk to block it out. Then I'm going to create new text using white font that says box. I'll center it. And now I'm going to go back to my scripts. Right now, the script for my new box block says draw obelisk. I'm going to want to change that to a new message. I want it to broadcast draw box. Now, since I have draw box here, I need to make sure that when my pencil receives this event, it draws the box. So I'm going to add a new event. When I receive draw box, I'm going to draw my box. Now it's your turn. Add the final broadcast for draw dome and create a new sprite for Draw Dome. Now I have these 3 buttons that all I have to do is press, and it will draw my box, my obelisk, or my dome for me. So now let's reset our entire animation. Press X to clear your drawing, press the green flag, but our arch isn't appearing. Remember, we hit it a while ago. So we are going to want to program this when the green flag is clicked. We want our arch to show. But when we're drawing, we can also have the event automatically hide the arch. So when the up arrow is pressed, remember that's our drawing command, we can hide the arch. So let's just test this new feature once. Let's press the green flag. Our arch is there, but we actually want to draw our own monument, so we're going to press our up arrow. Our arch disappears and we have our new blocks. We'll click on the box and we drew our monument. Congratulations, you just completed the MySci Hour of Code.